My name is Krismini Rajah and my matric number is E19A0016.
I'm Tay Cze Shuen, E19A0044.
Today, we are here at Muar Johor.
We have found an invasive species which is unique in this area.
Let's go check it out. Passiflora foetida is native to Central America, South America, and the West Indies. It is spread through the seeds by the birds and bats. The invasiveness proved outside its native range, highly adaptable to different environments, has high reproductive potentials, and many more. For health impacts, it is rarely reported by humans. In case there is means, probably will be having nausea, vomiting, drowsiness, rapid heartbeat, and mental slowing. Importantly, it is considered safe and non-toxic. Passiflora foetida leaves contain signage which, if consumed by goats, mainly during the dry season, it's resulted in poisoning which can harm the goats.
Passiflora foetida, or stinking passion flower, generally grows in areas where competition for nutrients and water are unlikely to be serious. However, it may be a strong competitor for light. This affects and invades the natural vegetation at the area. Passiflora foetida is also an invasive weed of crops, pastures, and plantations. This leads to difficulty in management. It forms a dense ground cover which prevents or delays the establishment of other species. In some parts of Malaysia, it is a very serious weed of maize and rubber. In Sarawak, there are also other various crops being affected. Thus, this eventually affects the country's agricultural economy.
The leaves are normally large. Hairy leaves are usually tri-loop with ovate to angular loop, spirally arranged with one leaf per node, and crushed leaf produce an unpleasant odor.
The flowers are around 4 cm and are white in color that are marked with a ring of radially oriented purple streaks. They are borne singly in the leaf forks on stalks, which are called pedicels. Each flower has 5 sepals and 5 petals. The flowers also has 5 stamens with anthers of 4 to 5 mm long, consists of an ovary top with 3 styles tipped with prominent stigmas. Blossoms open in the morning but close by about noon, and they have a minty fragrance.
The fruits are red or orange in color. Ellipsoid fruits have fleshy pulp and small black seeds. Fruits are surrounded by finely dissected needle-like braids. However, ripe fruits are edible and taste like Passiflora edilis fruits.
The stems are round, hairy, and have an unpleasant odor. At the base of each leaf stalk, there is a tendril and a 1 cm long thread-like appendage, which is called stipple, that covered in sticky glands.
It climbs or scrambles vines with sticky hairs over most of the plant. Stems produce tendrils from the bases of the alternately arranged leaves. Its leaves usually have 3 rounded or pointed loops, but sometimes they can be entire or 5-looped. Its flowers vary from pinkish to white or purplish in color and are borne singly in the leaf forks. Its fruits are partially enclosed by the persistence, deeply divided, and sticky floral bracts. Passiflora foetida also gives benefits in many ways.
For the environmental benefits, in Malaysia, it is used as ground cover for smothering weeds and to promote organic matter production. Besides, Passiflora foetida, which is used as ground cover, can also contribute to erosion control or dune stabilization. Furthermore, for the economic benefits, it can be planted as an ornamental vine and the seeds are sold for this purpose. They are rich in fiber content, so it can also be used in paper production industries. Moreover, Passiflora fruits are also farmed for making cold drink, ice cream, and flavor. Thus, these can be the sources for economic earning. Next, culinary purposes. It is an edible plant which can be food with the high protein in its leaves. As for the medicinal purposes, it can be used to treat diseases. Passiflora foetida extracts have potential tendency against stress and anxiety, insomnia, sexual dysfunction, inflammation, and cancer.